Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Valentine's Day. I'm doing a really beautiful flower arrangement for you. It's actually a Venus et Fleur dupe. If you don't know, Venus et Fleur are these really beautiful rose floral arrangements you order online, and the gimmick is they last an entire year. They're really beautiful, but they're very expensive. An arrangement of 12 or 16 or 24 flowers costs $300, $400, $500. We're gonna get the same look using all products from the Dollar Tree. This is going to cost just $4. I'm also really excited because this is a collab with my friend Marie here on YouTube. I'm going to put a link below so you can check out her channel. She's bringing you a Valentine's Day flower arrangement as well. Make sure you head on over. She does really creative projects. You're going to love them. But first, I'm going to show you how we put this together. It is so simple. So I started with this heart-shaped cardboard box that Dollar Tree is selling right now. I'm covering it with some black craft paint. I tried spray paint originally, but it did not work because this box has sort of a glossy finish. So this craft paint is going on a lot easier. And it honestly only took 2 coats to cover. It covered really well. So I just did 2 really thin coats, letting them dry in between coating. And I'm not painting the bottom side of the box because you're not going to see that. And it's got this kind of hole in the middle, but I am going to do the sides of the top of the box as well, and then I'm going to set the body of the box into its top. This is the way that the Venus et Fleur boxes are delivered. It makes it sort of look like it's a hat box full of roses. It's a really pretty look. So you put the main part of the box inside of its top, and now I'm just touching up any little spots that I missed. Black is such a dark color. You want to make sure you've got everything nice and covered. And now I'm just using some craft foam. This is actually floral foam, also from the Dollar Tree. You get 4 pieces for $1. And I'm cutting it down to size. It cuts really easily. And then I'm placing 3 nice size pieces inside my box. All you want to do is make sure that the foam is not popping up over the box. We want to see the flowers, not the foam. So I cut mine down to size until I had it the way I liked. And I'm not worrying about making sure the box is filled up with the foam either. These 3 pieces are going to work nice. And I'm using these fake flowers that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I'm pulling each bud off its stem and using the bottom of the bud as the pointy part to put it into the foam. You want this closed up bud, not the more open bloom. This closed up style of rose is what you get when you order from Venus et Fleur. Luckily, it's Valentine's Day, so Dollar Tree is selling these right now. I bought 2 bunches, so just $2. Each bunch has 6 roses. So this is going to be an arrangement of 12 flowers, and it fits just perfectly. I think it's so beautiful all done. I think I'm going to keep this and put it on my desk. I'm not even giving it away. But I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on making something like this. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to go over and check out Marie's channel. She's doing a beautiful project. Hit the red subscribe button, guys, to see more. I'll see you next time.